Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to use Capital One Shopping on Amazon. Let's get started. First, open Google and search for link Capital One Shopping to Amazon. Click on the official Amazon results that directs you to the Shop with Points page. On the page, find and click Link Your Rewards. Then, you'll be prompted to enroll your Capital One Rewards card. Then click Enroll a new reward card. Enter your Capital One card details and confirm the linking process. Once your card is linked, shop as usual on Amazon. At checkout, select Capital One Rewards as your payment method. If you have enough rewards, you can apply them towards your purchase. Capital One Shopping helps find discounts but does not directly pay for items. Capital One Rewards can be used as a payment method if your card is linked to Amazon. If you don't see the option, ensure your card is eligible for Amazon Rewards. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.